In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201. What you want to do is first search for Device Manager, open it up, and from in here you want to find Network Adapters. In here you should have your Intel one, and you want to click on it and right click, update driver, and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list, and in here you want to choose the Intel one if you have it. Otherwise, if you have some other that's not Intel, you can also try and select those. But if you have the Intel one, you want to select it, press next, and install the driver. Once you've done that, close it down, and then head over to the link in description, which is this one. And you want to press download here, and you should get the download installer. Now once this is done, you're just going to launch it, and it's a simple installer, so you're just going to click next, 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 and it's going to install it. After that, restart your PC, and then it should work now. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.